Let's make a cozy and delicious lasagna soup. This dish combines all the flavors of classic lasagna, but in a warm, comforting soup. Perfect for those days when you're craving something hearty. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 pound of ground beef or Italian sausage. Browning the meat helps develop deep, rich flavors for the soup. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once browned, drain the excess fat, as we don't want the soup to be greasy. In the same pot, add another tablespoon of olive oil. Toss in 1 diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Onions and garlic form the base of most savory dishes because they add a lot of flavor. Sauté for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Then, add 1 diced carrot and 1 diced celery stalk. These vegetables give a slight sweetness and add body to the soup. Cook for another 5 minutes. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for a minute. This step intensifies the tomato flavor and creates a rich base. Add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. The broth thins the soup to the right consistency, while the Italian seasoning adds the classic lasagna taste. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes to let the flavors blend. While the soup simmers, boil 8 ounces of lasagna noodles separately until al dente. Cooking the noodles separately prevents them from getting too soft in the soup. Once cooked, drain and break the noodles into bite-sized pieces, perfect for serving. Now, return the cooked ground beef or sausage to the pot, allowing the meat to soak up some of the soup's flavors. Simmer for another 5 minutes to combine everything. Ladle the soup into bowls and add a portion of the broken lasagna noodles. To give the dish that true lasagna taste, add a dollop of ricotta cheese, a sprinkle of mozzarella, and freshly grated Parmesan on top. As the cheese melts, it creates a creamy, rich texture. For a bit of heat, sprinkle red pepper flakes on top, or garnish with fresh basil for a pop of color and freshness. If you want a lighter version, you can substitute ground turkey or lean ground beef for a healthier alternative. You can also swap out the lasagna noodles for gluten-free pasta or zucchini noodles if you're looking for a low-carb option. This lasagna soup is a one-pot wonder, perfect for cozy dinners, and it's easily customizable to suit your taste.